Do you have problems resuming work on a computer that has been put into sleep mode? In this video, we'll teach you how to fix this issue with all the known solutions that we're aware of. In Windows, waking up from sleep mode is usually as simple as moving the mouse or pressing a key. If none of that has any effect, it might be because of a power failure or a bug in the system's software. By the way, please like and share our videos to help those who might have the same issues so that we can help them too. Once you're done, then let's begin. First, check if your mouse or keyboard are working. If you use your mouse, keyboard, or both to wake up your PC from sleep mode, you must make sure that both devices are working normally. If nothing happens when you move your mouse, for example, make sure that it is turned on and properly connected to the PC. If you're using a wireless mouse, try to see if replacing the battery will fix the connection to the PC and get it out of sleep mode. Next, press a different key. You can also easily wake up a Windows computer from sleep mode by pressing a different key or keys. You can try pressing any key on the keyboard to see if it works. A computer can be woken up by repeatedly pressing the keyboard or clicking the mouse. You should be able to give everything you do a new lease on life. Next, refresh your computer. If you've checked that your keyboard, mouse, and any other pointing devices are working, but your computer still won't wake up from sleep mode, the next best thing you can do is to reboot it. After you put the machine in sleep mode, it could have become unresponsive or frozen for whatever reason. Just press and hold your computer's power button for a few seconds until the machine restarts. Next, check for the latest GPU drivers. Some Windows users might have a problem that is caused by old display drivers. Right-click Windows icon. Click on Device Manager. Expand the Display Adapters category. Right-click on your graphics card and select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers and follow the rest of the instructions if your computer found that there's a new driver version that needs to be installed. Restart your PC. Next, turn off Fast Startup. Fast Startup is a feature of both Windows 10 and Windows 11 operating systems. As the name suggests, this feature makes it easier for the computer to start up quickly. Most people can use this feature normally, but some users have found that turning it on causes problems. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. Change the view by into either large icons or small icons. Click on Power Options. Click on Choose what the power button do. Click the Change Settings that are currently unavailable link. Uncheck the box next to turn on Fast Startup. Click on Save Changes. Restart your PC. Then, put your computer to sleep mode again and check if it can now wake up from sleep mode. Next, disable USB Selective Suspend. Others who had a PC that wouldn't wake up from sleep mode were able to fix it by turning off the Selective Suspend feature on their USB hub. You need to go back to the control panel to do this. Here are all of the steps you need to take. Press the Windows key on your keyboard and type Control Panel. Open the Control Panel. Change the view by into either large icons or small icons. Click on Power Options. Click on the Change Plan Settings link. Click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Under Advanced Settings tab, look for USB Settings category and expand it. Expand USB Selective Suspend setting and click on Enabled to see more options. Make sure that you select Disabled to turn off USB Selective Suspend. After that, restart your PC. Then, put your computer to sleep mode again and check if it can now wake up from sleep mode. Next, reset the RAM. This one requires you to open up your computer and physically unplug the memory module or RAM. If you don't know how to open up your computer, or if your laptop or desktop is still under warranty, you shouldn't try to do this. Basically, you need to pull the RAM out of the motherboard, clean it, and then put it back in. Some people did this to fix short-term problems with their system that were caused by a memory bug or glitch. Lastly, restart the graphics card. A quick reboot of your graphics card might help, just like resetting the RAM. With this suggestion, you don't have to disconnect the GPU. To force the device to restart, all you have to do is press Ctrl plus Shift plus Windows key plus B. This can sometimes help fix problems with the display or the power settings. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it. If you can leave a like or comment, subscribe to our channel or share this video to your friends. This can greatly help in making Google's algorithm can find and recommend this video to others.